Welcome! Another quick and easy tutorial here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to release music on SoundCloud. Alright, just go head over to soundcloud.com, and once you're in here, make sure that you are logged in. Alright, after that, you're going to want to go to the upload section right here near your profile. Click on it, and as you can see here, you'll be able to drag and drop audio files to get started, or click on choose files. Alright, as you can see here, there will be a prompt to upload your first track. Choose your plan. We don't want to do that for now. Just go ahead and go to continue without a paid plan. All right, click on it. Once done, click on choose files again. As you can see, it's going to open up our system's drive. Now what we're going to do is just find the audio. For example, here I have here sample podcast. I'm going to click on open. Now what we're going to do here is just add the track title. For example, sample podcast by Answer ASAP. Now, the main artist, of course, it's me. Now, genre, let's say, for example, it's just a speech. All right, click on it. Now, on tags, if you want to add some more tags, just go ahead and enter that in here. For example, podcast, enter, sample, funny. It's up to you. Now, in the description, just made a sample podcast for my viewers. Now, as you can see here, track privacy could be public or private. So as the title suggests, how to release music, just go ahead and hit on public. All right, and then add your artwork right here. Don't forget about this one. As you can see here, I'm going to add in the channel's logo, and I'm going to hit on upload. All right, as you can see here, it is now saving, and it is now saved to SoundCloud. If you want to view the track, just go ahead and click on this one right here. All right, and just hit on play. Welcome. This is just a sample podcast. All right, this is for a video on how to release music on SoundCloud. Goodbye. That is it. There'll be some notes here. Your track isn't eligible for recommendation yet. If you want to read through this, just go ahead and read it and the criteria as well. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.